Today's a beautiful day. Nature is looking nice. All right. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good people. Today is Thursday. Today is a beautiful day. We're on our way out. We're going to the dentist. And then we're going to do some grocery shopping. Maybe I'll do a grocery haul later on. Have a good day, everybody. Regardless who's in the White House, Jesus is Lord. Okay? Have a good day. I'm glad to speak with you guys. We'll talk some more later. We're gonna have a good day. Because of what? Because we are above earth. All right? We are above earth. It's very windy where I am. Very windy. So this morning I'm going to the dentist, like I mentioned, and then after that I am going back home, or rather I'm going do some grocery shopping, and then I'm heading home. Yeah, and see what the day brings to me today. All right, we're going to be productive and we're going to be joyful. Bye. As I mentioned right now, guys, I'm on my way to the dentist, and right after that I will take you guys with me to TJ Maxx. So the next screen will be me at TJ Maxx. So enjoy the ride and enjoy the music. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for stopping by. I love you guys. Thank you for subscribing. I hope you have a good day. God bless, and let's go to TJ Maxx. All right. Welcome to TJ Maxx. Right now I am in the beauty section. I just wanted to look at what they have in store, because they usually have a lot of beauty products that I love to use, facial items and scrubber, anti-aging face mask, so on and so forth. If you guys haven't gone there to pick up these items, it's a good place to go at TJ Maxx and pick those up. Enjoy the music. Yes, as I mentioned, I love TJ Maxx and also their shoe section, right? I was looking for something to wear, some flats. I did purchase 2 of them though. Something to go to church. Although I did not buy this from Steve Madden. Looks good, but it wasn't the type of shoes that I was looking for at the time. Yes. My daughter helping me. She's a good helper. She wanted to help with the tree. Okay, that's me again by myself. I believe this is another day that I was trying to finish with the decoration with that small tree. And now I'm sweeping. My goodness, I had 2 different pair of shoes on. I was in such a hurry to come and videotape and filming this video. I'm like, oh my word, this is so embarrassing. Oh my gosh, one is for me, one is for my daughter. I can't believe we can wear the same sandals. Yeah. And I know by now, guys, you've seen this treadmill in the middle of this living room. We don't know yet where to put that treadmill. And, it's an eyesore. I don't know where to put it. And it's something that I need, that I'll have to use to exercise. And, it's in the living room now. Here I am sweeping the living room, the dining room, tidy up the place. This is just a day in my life, what I do basically on my day off, what I do around the house whenever I have the strength, whenever I'm not too tired after work. This is basically what I do. Clean up, tidy up. It's a never ending game. Cleaning, tidy up, put things in their right place, only to find them back where they're not supposed to be. I'm pretty sure you guys are aware of that. At this point, I was trying to hurry up and finish with that and go do my other chores. Sweeping, finishing up with the cleaning, because it was time consuming for me that day, because I had so many other things to do. You might taking my work bag, my lunch bag to the kitchen. All the good stuff. All the good stuff. So this is what it is, and this is the living room. I'm fixing my throw, and I know you guys have seen this box in the living room. That chandelier's been on the floor for like 2 months already, and I'm like, yes, I need to hang this. My husband needs to help me in that sense. He is so busy, and we are two busy people. All right, don't judge me. All right, we're trying over here. We're trying. All right, this is the living room, almost done cleaning it. And I thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for coming back. I thank you guys. I cannot say next time you see this living room and the TV is gonna be in the right place and the chandelier is gonna be up. I can't promise that. Although I want for that to happen, but I don't know. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for coming by. I hope to see you soon. God bless. Thank you for watching.